Hi, I'm Mike Ziegler with Ziegler Diamond Law. Most people don't come to our website because things are going great. They come here because something is wrong. Maybe a debt collector filed a lawsuit. Maybe the bills have piled up. Maybe bankruptcy is starting to feel like the only option. Or maybe you're just tired of the phone calls, the letters, and the stress. I want you to know something important. Financial problems happen to good people, and there are legal tools that may help. At Ziegler Diamond Law, we help people deal with debt collection lawsuits, Chapter 7 bankruptcy, Chapter 13 bankruptcy, creditor harassment, and credit reporting issues. But before we talk about solutions, we start with a simple step. We listen. Every situation is different. Some people need to file for bankruptcy. Some people need to fight a lawsuit. Some people need to know what not to do next. Our job is to help you understand the big picture, to explain your options in plain English and help you make a smart decision. You do not need to be embarrassed. You do not need to have all the paperwork ready. And you do not need to know the legal answer before you call us. So if you're facing debt problems, don't ignore them. The sooner you understand your rights and your options, the more control you may have. Take a look around our website, and when you're ready, contact Ziegler Diamond Law. We're the debt fighters, and we're here to help you get your fresh start.